Hi, I'm Japal Judge. My deck is Goldengo. Now it's very expensive. It's expensive. Before it was only 150 pesos. Now it's 500 pesos. I have one loss in what do you call this, in coin flip because yeah, yes.
Wala lagi si Pikachu karon.
Kaya pag ingon niya five rounds lang 5 rounds Pikachu. Ikapoy na ko daan. So it's just pandek lang.
I'm Vinny.
How's your game?
It was good. Competition is very strong. Lots of people are playing Regidrago. And yeah, I'm just having fun. It's the first time I'm using this deck. I haven't even played it online. I only watch people play it. Yeah.
What is it?
Basically the Bankai of slacking. Yeah, the Bankai of slacking.
Why we're slacking today? What happened?
Slacking off, resting, loathing around. 4-0.
Oh shit, undefeated. Let's go, Vin. Ayan, napakabastos.
My deck is Jazz. Tell them about my deck.
Ha?
Ikaw man ang last na nakalaban. Unsa
Wala,
dahil may
Doom.
sa deck?
Doom.
Wall gid siya. So katong kay Jazz, Noivern EX puro basic iya ha. So blocks everything. Na ano na siya so nag-concede na lang si Jazz.
Regidrago for the first time ever.
How was it?
It was confusing, man. It was very confusing. I don't know. I'm not familiar with the deck yet, so it's completely new. It's the first time I tried it in a tournament setting, and the first time I used it against a Lugia player. So like, I'm not sure what to prioritize. It's so weird. It's a good deck, but like you have to be really familiar with it.
True.
2-3.
Not
Out of
bad.
5 matches. Not bad. Not exactly good, but not bad for my first time.
So I played the Ogrepon Hydrapple deck. So it's that deck actually is sort of an old one, but like when I attended the Learn to Play event, this is the deck that I borrowed. Yes, it is Japal's deck, and this is the one that I fell in love with. I should say because it's so easy to use and it also has a high damage output. This event I didn't do too bad. I did. Yes, this is my first, and I'm still trying to learn. I think that I still have so much to learn, and I might join future tournaments as well for me to learn more, and I might use this deck a lot. So.
My deck is the Azul's favorite deck right now, the Terrapagos Cloth. No? The aim of the deck is to dunk the smaller decks and to sustain later on with the bigger deck since it has a lot of Pokemon. So versatile kayo siya. It can defeat Charizard with a Hisuian Electrode with super effective glasses. And the Terrapagos would chip the Lugias because the math is very good. No? If there is a Hisuian Sneasler, Poison, and the Terrapagos hit, it can one-hit knock out Regidrago V-Stars and most V-Stars such as Lugia V-Star. So it was fun. You have to have a perfect combo every time you play your turn, but it's fun, no?
What's your record?
My record is 4-1, so hoping to have a stronger resistance, but I think it's between Vinny and Claude who will win today, no?
My deck is Future! 4-1. Unfortunately, napildi ko kay Stan, pero deserve po na mapildi kay misplay ko adto. However, sa other games, kay kanang certificate nga makapatay si Iron Valiant ug kanang magic numbers. Very nice. For now, last week I played Charizard, and I think I'm not ready for the Baju meta, and unfortunately wala nagbadyo sa karon, so I played Valiant because Valiant can snipe the Bajus even if I have no energies, as long as I can have Latias or the switches. Yes, Charizard will be getting, I am the Charizard Lord. That's my real name, CH Lord. So you'll be seeing him very soon, hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Full blast ang aircon dito. I feel betrayed.